Hi, my name's Paul Greyer. Today I'm going to show you the signage option wall. At Greyer's Graphics we try to make things easy for our customers to give them an option from a flat board sign right through to a custom made letter. So this is option 1, which is a flat board option. We've got 3 little signs up there we'll show you. The first one's here's correx. So correx is a fluted plastic board. It's one of our cheaper options of the sign. It's mainly used for site boards. A lot of builders will use them on jobs. We do some deals on them as well. If you want to have something a little bit more durable, we'll go with the foamex, which is more of a flat board. It gives a flatter finish. Comes in 3mm and 5mm thicknesses. These signs tend to be within a metre square. If you go for anything bigger than that, we'll use a different material, but foamex is quite a general sign that we use. And lastly here we've got an acrylic sign, which is a really nice glass looking sign. We'll use that for internal walls in offices, and that gives a really nice effect. We use these things called bullet locators. They go on the end just to obviously make it stand away from the wall. Option 2 is a Dibond composite aluminium board. Now this is a very popular panel that we sell. It's a skin of aluminium with acrylic as well. It comes in 3mm thick. A lot of shop signs are made in this panel. Now the way it's fixed is it's screwed straight to the background, and it's got these little colour caps that we put on just to hide the screws. Option 3 is a Panatrim frame with a Dibond panel. Now some people don't like to see screw holes on their sign, so we can supply this aluminium frame, it's called Panatrim, that goes around the outside, and now obviously it's exactly the same as it's got a printed Dibond panel in there, but obviously it's screwless, so you don't see any screws. You've got a nice frame around the outside. Option 4 is a folded aluminium tray. It's one of our more premium products, so it's a folded box, so you don't see any screw holes. It gives the sign a little bit more of a 3D look as a tray, and then this one's got vinyl to the face of it. Option 5 is a channeled sign mounted to posts. You'll find a lot of these signs on the roadside or at industrial estates. So they're a flat board sign. We put a channel on the back so we can clip it around our post. As you'll see there, the post is there. And as I say, you'll see them a lot in industrial estates and mainly on the roads. Option 6 is standoff lettering. They either come in Dibond or acrylic. The 2 options are shown here. A lot of people will use these for their interior walls in their offices or their shops. And we can also have an option to put LEDs on the back of them, which can obviously illuminate the back of the wall. Option 7, standoff lettering with face illumination. This again is an interior sign. It's a little bit more bespoke than option 6, so it's got front face illumination. Obviously the number 6 will be at the rear, the LEDs at the rear. So it's a really nice option for an interior wall, for your shop or for your office. Option 8 is a fret cut aluminium tray. It's very similar to number 4, but it's just got the illumination. So we fret cut out the lettering with a laser, we put perspex on the rear, and then we illuminate it with very high voltage LEDs. Option 9 is a fabric skin light box. We use these interior wise. You've got a fabric skin, which is really cool, which is printed, and behind you'll see LEDs to illuminate it. Let's just show you how easy that goes back. It pops in a frame. It's possible to interchange these with different promotions or different seasonal stuff. So it's a fabric skin light box. Option 10, LED halo lettering. And we put this on a printed tray. So this is actually printed effect. The lettering, you'll see they're a built-up letter, and they've got LED behind them inside, so that shines on the back of the board. It's a very good external sign, very high, heavy duty. It gives a nice chunky look to the letter. Option 11 is a built-up face illuminated sign. The lettering can be cut to shape. This is all a metal box. The beauty of this is it's all powder coated, so to any rail colour that you want, we can actually manufacture that. It's all face illuminated, so the LEDs are inside the box, fully waterproof. This is a really nice chunky look sign, and if you want your sign to stand out, there's no better way than one of these. Option 12 is our bespoke lettering. These are all cut made of steel. We've actually put an aging process on that, which makes it look a bit more rusty. LED bulbs on the internals. A lot of people will go for a squarer look letter for this so that you can fit the bulbs in nicely. Restaurants, tattoo places, they would go for a letter like this. A really cool look.